Want to schedule a mail on Gmail but don't know how to? Well, you're in the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule a mail. So first what you have to do is open your Gmail and then click on compose. After that, write the mail to whoever you want it to send. Click on it and write the subject. Simply write the mail. After that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that is on the top right. Simply click on it and then you will see a box that pops up like this. So simply what you have to do is click on schedule send and then you will see an UI like this. And then what you have to do is you can simply go with whatever the Gmail shows, like tomorrow morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, or pick your custom date and time and customize it. So here I'm going to select it to Tuesday and I'm going to select the time. Click on OK and click on schedule send. And then your mail will be scheduled to whatever time that you have set. So it is that easy to schedule a mail on Gmail. So if you found this video helpful, do make sure to like and subscribe.